Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to introduce Robust Transformer. Robust Transformer is an application of ServiceNow that allows you load a single data source to multiple CI class in a single load. So people usually transform data by using regular transform maps. But in this case, if you had to use transform maps to load one single sheet for different classes, we would need to do one process per time. So in this case, we would take so long because we would need to do the same process 7 times. By using the robust transformer, we will save in time at least 95% of time by loading the same Excel sheet at once, and the result will be exactly the same. On the other hand, to configure robust transforming maps take more time than the regular transformer maps. So you need to define what's the best. If you have only one target class, it's recommended to use the regular transforming maps. But when you have multiple target class like here, it's indicated and recommended to use robust transformer. Well, this exercise will be like, firstly, I'm going to show in ServiceNow that all of these classes, the server classes and network classes, each particular class, it's empty in ServiceNow. I mean, zero CI. So we are going to see 7 different classes and no CI inside them. On the other hand here, we are going to have one single Excel file with all of these 7 classes, and each of these class we are going to have 3 CIs. One observation here. For this firewall CI class, in this particular case, I created 3 firewalls, but by using exactly the same name. All other classes, no. For all the classes, we are going to have 3 different CIs. Why did I do this? Because we need to see robust transform maps ignoring by creating a new CI in case the first one in CMDB already exists, right? So at the end of the process, we are going to see 3 Windows CI classes here and 3 here, 3 Linux and 3 Linux, 3 Unix, 3 Unix, 3 UIX, 3 UAX, 3 routers, 3 routers, 3 firewalls, only one firewall, right? Because the other two that's here will not be stored here because all of them has exactly the same name. 3 suites and 3 suites, right? Well, let's go to the PDI and see it's working. Okay, we are here in the PDI, and as I said, we have here all of the 7 classes. Let's see one by one. This firewall is empty, as I said. AIX empty, IP switch is empty, Linux empty, Unix empty, Windows Server empty, and routers empty. So now let's see the data source. It's a very simple Excel file, and I have here three CIs per class. Just pay attention here in the name of CIs. Look, in the router I have three different names. In a firewall, as I said, I put the same name in three lines, in three rows. And all other is like a wise router. The name is different in each line. So that's the exactly what you are going to load to CMDB. And the target, right? Here you can see the name of table for each of this class. All then start as CMDB underline CR underscore, and then here these words represent the CI class. Okay, right. So let's go and move this Excel file to ServiceNow. All right. So the file is already uploaded here. You can do it by load data, and it's become a data source. And then if you come to data source, you can easily here and see that file already updated here. Now we need to load this content to import set. How you do this? All you need to do is click and load all records, and then it extract all of uh, rows data and put it in import set. And now, as you see, it's still empty here. Let's go to another screen. You can see all of them still empty, right? AIX, etc. And then let's run the finally the robust transformer. All you need to do is click here and then I second click here. Okay, it's done. Let's go to the tables and check the results. Let's go to IXs first. We have 3 and IP switch 3, Linux, everything. We have exactly what you had in Excel file, except the firewall. Because as I said, firewall, we have 3 equals names. And that's why the rules, the policy fields here, it's name. So that's why it's not creating the second and third to avoid duplications, right? Well, so that's the way robust transformer works. Thank you. Bye.